Oh, okay. It's Dina. I'm back again. I just wanted to talk about the very strong case of imposter syndrome that has overcome me this morning on my walk. Usually my walks are very peaceful and they aren't anxiety producing. If anything, it's the opposite. It can be very relaxing and calming, and I get a lot of clarity during that time. But I feel a sense of imposter syndrome when it comes to growing on social media, especially YouTube. YouTube is my main focus. I don't know. I like YouTube, which is weird coming from me because I was so scared for years to get on there. But now I'm kind of addicted to it. I love it. I don't know. But so I've been watching a lot of other YouTubers to, try to do my homework and see what I could do to continue to grow the channel or improve as a content creator and an educator, or like expert in nutrition educator. And they all say you don't have to go viral to make a good income on YouTube, but if you don't go viral in some way, how are people going to find you to like buy your offers? Even if you're just selling a course or a membership, one-on-one coaching, whatever, if they can't find you, if you don't get well known to the masses some kind of way, how are they going to know that you even exist to have offers? So that part I'm confused about. But I have to be careful not to make myself feel like, oh man, I'll never go viral. Oh, no one will ever buy from me or my memberships. I know I do good work and offer good services and programs, but they don't know it. The public doesn't know it, especially if they can't find me. And my current client base, they're so used to working with me one-on-one with insurance that some of them can't fathom, well, why would I pay you cash? Even though my offers are very, very low ticket, very low price. $27 for this, less than $19, less than $20 a month for that, $16 for this, they still can't fathom, from what I gather, why would I pay you when I can, use insurance to pay you? Why would I pay for anything? Well, I'll tell you why you pay me, because I can't do everything during that time in the session that I would like to do. And also some of the things that I would like to do or say, I'm confined by what insurance will cover. So I really can't go all out. Like, a lot of people want to reach out to me in between sessions. They have questions, they want me to review things, but I can't do it because I don't get paid for anything I do in between sessions. So I have to tell them, you're gonna have to wait until the meeting to cover it. So if there's anything urgent, I can't address it, unfortunately, because insurance doesn't pay me enough to cover it at that time, or insurance doesn't cover that. They cover the one-on-one time. That's it. If you want accountability in between sessions, insurance not gonna cover that. And I'll offer it very inexpensively. But that's besides the point. I just feel like, I don't know, I'm like, am I wasting my time? And, all those thoughts start to cross my mind, but I'm not going to let it get to me. This is just me being real, being honest, and being a human, and showing you who I really am, and how I'm just as human as the next person. But I'm not going to let it defeat me. I'm going to keep going. I said at least 2 years of consistent effort on these platforms, at least 2 years. I have less than 2 years now. We're on the countdown. But I just got started, and I think maybe like 3 months ago. So that had to have been November, December time frame where I got started with the social media thing and really starting to focus on my blog and all the good stuff. In reality, it's not a good idea to launch so many things or start so many projects at once. But I was like, I'm going all in. I'm gonna do it because I've never been consistent with almost anything in my business. And I said, it's time to stop making excuses and it's time to start just doing the things. And recently I hired a couple of people to help me, which is very important. If you want to scale, you need help of some sort. That I know. But it's hard to trust people, hard for me to trust people. But a lot of that comes from trauma. And it also comes from experience of being let down by a lot of people. Maybe I'll tell you about some of that stuff someday. All right, that's enough of my morning time walk ramblings for now. If you've listened to the whole thing, I appreciate it. It helps me grow. It helps the algorithm if you watch the whole thing. Even if you speed it up to 2.0 or however fast you want to go, it really helps letting it play through. It helps more than liking the content. 2 things help me: subscribers and watching the whole video. So if you want to help me grow, help me get the word out about my services and about how great of a dietitian I am, you can do those 2 things. And it doesn't cost you anything but a little time, and not even that much if you speed me up. All right? Hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.